Alright, what you're going to do right here is take 2 starbursts and use them as the feet. Put a strip of hot glue right stick it to the bottom and hold for about 5 seconds. Do that on each side. Alright, now that that's done, we're going to do the head, and that is the Rice Krispie treat. And you're just gonna do a strip of the hot glue right there at the bottom. And then place that firmly on top of the juice box. Hold about 5 seconds. Then you're going to do the arms on each side of the box. Just take the 2 pixie sticks and the tip of the sticks, you're just going to add some hot glue. Just a dot. Stick that on there for a few seconds, like that. Do the other side. And that's what it looks like. Next up, you're going to put on the googly eyes. Be very careful, the hot glue is hot, so just take your time and apply. And this is the final product.